students, welcome to my vlog Geography with Anusha Achachi, and today's topic is your India size and location. So let's move on to our video. So India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The mainland extends from latitude 82 8 degree 4 seconds south to north 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitude 68 degree 7 minute west to 97 degree 25 minutes east. The Tropic of Cancer divides the whole country into two equal parts. To the southeast and the southwest of the mainland lies the Andaman Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. The landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square meter. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India is the 7th largest country of the world. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 km, and the total length of the coastline of the mainland include Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island, which is including 7,516.6 km. India is bounded by the Yangfall Mountain in the northwest, north and northeast. South of about 22 degree north latitude, it begins to taper and extends towards Indian Ocean dividing it into two seas, Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on its east. Look at the map now. The latitudinal and the longitudinal extent, the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degree. Despite this fact, the east-west extent appears to be smaller. The east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India 32 degree 30 minutes east, passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time for the whole country. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north. I hope you all have understood the size and location of India. If you have any queries, please comment down below and please give a like to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you